See, bro is toxic. I'm that. Bro is toxic. Toxic. Bro's toxic, bro. Bro's toxic. You speak in that language. See, bro's toxic. Toxic, bro. I'ma post this on TikTok. If an admin comes by, please ban him. I got the name. It's little. I'ma show you. It's this. It's this guy. It's this. It's this guy. This guy. Please ban him or kick him from this game. I tried already ban him. See? Ban him. Choose one. Bullying. See? He wants to trade me. I'ma keep banning him, bro.